Want to create captivating acrylic paintings? Use mediums while creating your artwork. Mediums can make your artwork more beautiful, more durable, and more suitable for specific desired effects. Let's look at acrylic gloss medium first. During the painting process, mix it with your colors, using more for a lot of shine and less for a slight sheen. For the opposite effect, use an acrylic matte medium. It mutes the shine on your work, which is sometimes very useful. Adjust by mixing more or less directly with your paints before application. Here are 5 effects in the same shade of artist's acrylic color, going from no sheen to a lot of shine. Next, acrylic gel medium. When mixed with paint, it adds transparency and can be similarly adjusted in ratio. Do you sometimes wish that your acrylic colors didn't dry quickly? There is a medium for that. Mixing an acrylic retarder with your paints will keep them wet on your canvas for longer, for later adjustments. With painting mediums, you can use a single color in so many different ways. It's a limitless world out there.